going to be doing a tank fix on the bike today. I'm going to be using this JB World, so let's get into it. Alright, let's get into this. And I can already feel the heat coming out of this mix. I reckon we put a real decent layer in there. No one actually talks about the sheer heat that comes out of this packet on any of the other YouTubes. But it is like putting your hand under a hot running tap. Alright, let's place the fiberglass in there. As for the viewers, it is absolutely scalding hot. I would advise that you use a pair of gloves. I am being stupid and not. Right, opted out for some gloves this time. Well, that's no good to anyone. Right. Let's see how that goes. Alright, this is the end result. So we will put it back together and then we will see tomorrow, give it a quick ride, see if it leaks. Thanks for watching and till next time. See ya.